Yeah, is it okay now? Yes, Anjuji, is it okay now? Am I visible? Okay, shall we begin? Okay, I would like to introduce myself first of all. Hi everyone, I am Arpita. And I'm really extremely happy to be here. Yeah, is it okay now? Okay, so we will begin without much delay. And I'm Arpita, and we have started with this online platform and a lot of thanks to Anjuji because Anjuji has given us this platform of She Connects. It's a wonderful, wonderful platform where we can showcase our things, and all the ladies out here are extremely good, extremely very interesting things that we see every day. And about myself, I'm an artist. And hi Mamta, hi Mahua. Yeah, everyone, I'll just okay, thank you so much, Anjuji. So I believe that art is for everyone, and everyone has some creativity inside them. So it's really interesting, to do the art, and I consider art as a therapy because paintings, drawings, collage, craft, it's a way to express yourself, and where you can you don't find words, you express your feelings through art. So that's what I believe. And art making is also therapeutic because it's a form of relaxation. When you paint, when you draw, and when you color everything, so it becomes so creative. It gives you that relaxation that you are able to complete, and it increases your self-esteem because it actually when you complete a drawing, it boosts up your self-esteem, so you become very confident. Hi Nisha, hi Meenuji. So when I come across people, so they tell me कि हमें drawing आती नहीं है, but we really want to learn, and I have a platform of Art Mania, and where I teach the students. It's an online platform, so anyone can connect with me, and it's really interesting, that when people tell me that like we art हमसे होता नहीं है, so in my platform I teach them the techniques of art and the creative skills with which they can learn paintings. And I provide them certain projects. Their eye-hand coordination increases. So art is somehow it increases, it decreases your tensions, anxiety, anger, and I believe जो छोटे बच्चे हैं they need to channelize all these their energies. So and you know creative way में अगर हम उसको channelize करते हैं, that is the best part. So like I do paintings, I put up my exhibitions, and from time to time in Delhi also and in outside Delhi I keep doing my paintings. And you can see at the back, like I have few big paintings. If anybody want painting, they can, you know, thank you Anjuji. Anjuji has written, it's a great initiative of online teaching art. Yes, online teaching में anybody can connect with me. You know, place is not a constraint. So that's the best part. And for home decor, for office decor, I just want to show you a few of my paintings which are quite big enough. Like this is the painting that I have done. This is 2 feet by 2 feet. I do a lot of abstract. So this is another painting of mine which indicates you know, the sea. So these are few of my paintings, and this is a small one. And anybody can, and this painting, this art, it gives a lot of positive energy, where even if you see a painting you know, hung on your wall, it looks beautiful, and it gives beautiful effect to your home. It changes your house. This one I made during Corona, because here it actually, you know, it indicates that, oh God, please save us from the huge wave of Corona. So it is with that theme. It is again 2 feet by 2 feet painting. Thank you so much. Thanks, Neeti. This is painting is done with a knife, because I use all the techniques. I do it with sponge, with hand, with knife. So I use a lot of mediums to use my painting. This is also a tree. Thank you, Tanushi. Thank you, Mauma. Thank you, Tanvi. Anjuji, thank you so much. So I keep doing my works. Now this is again, it's a woman, and I made this painting with the you know, with the thought that a woman is a person who has lot of thoughts, you know, hundreds of millions of memories, and lot of emotions going in their hand, but on the front a person has to keep a happy face. That's a woman. So with this I made this painting, that so many things goes inside our head, you know, maintaining the relationships and home and everything, and but still we are women, so our face should always have a smile on it. So with this I think I made this painting, and there are other paintings I make, paintings which are huge, about 4 feet by 4 feet. My paintings can be customized also, if anybody wants, for their home or for office or for gifting purpose, for corporate gifts. So all these for this can be customized, because I do abstract, but I do portraits also and sketches also. So any type of painting, if anybody wants, they can approach me. I have my website, that is arpitamitra.com, where you can go and check. Thank you so much, Anjuji. Thank you, Tanushi. Thank you, Tanvi. So where these paintings you can actually purchase, and you can see the paintings, choose the paintings. And today I just wanted to show you one painting that I wanted to do. I am actually, I don't know how to, I cannot turn this, but I'll have to show it like this somehow. Fine. I'll just do one painting here, and though I do a lot of paintings, but you know, I love to play with colors. That's my main thing that I really like. So I thought, if I'm going live, so I'll teach you one technique of my painting, what I do and what I actually love to do. So here I'm putting on my gloves, and when you will be, you know, through with this session of being live, so you will also learn a technique, and which I really, you know, love to do. So today I'll be doing a painting where I have taken all the shades of red. Alright, so here, because of the camera, so I'll have to pick it up and show it to you again and again. So I'll do that, not to worry. So I'll just first show you the colors that I have taken, and it's a liquid paint that I have taken. Alright, so this is pink color. This is orange. This is red, and these are all liquid acrylics. So and this is one color which I have taken as, you know, the copper color. The Ganesha series, yes, it's all there in my one Ganesha I had already shown, and rest of the Ganesha series you can see it in my this website. All the drawings are there. Tanushi, yes, these are liquid acrylics, liquid acrylic colors. I'll just show you the box. This is what I use, liquid acrylic. Okay, and this is red. So red, pink, magenta, all the colors that I have taken today. And I am going to put the colors on this. I'll just show you. I'm just putting the color one across the other. If you can see the different shades. So you can see painting can be interesting. These are few colors that of red, and one after the other I am just putting it. I'm using copper color, and again a pink, few dark pink. I can take up red, and one by one I'm putting the colors, and I'm going to fill my canvas. So this is what I am doing right now. Actually, I wanted my this thing should be on the tilted one, so that you would have been able to understand, but still we we are managing. Right, now few more colors, maybe here. I'm just giving it a line. I'm just mixing the colors, nothing else. I don't know how it will come out because I'm just holding it. So maybe after some time I have to put it down and then again show it to you. So I'm just putting it down. So let me just, think about something else. Maybe if it becomes a little high rise so that you can see it once. If here you can see it. Alright, I hope it is visible at least something, but in between I will just, put it and I'll show it to you. I'm just putting the colors one after the other, the different colors and nothing else. And the best part of this sort of painting is you actually don't know how it will come out. These are all experimenting with the colors. So you keep experimenting and somehow, and since it is your creation, so it has to be the best. So that confidence everyone should have, that whatever I'm making, it's the best. So I'm just putting few more colors here and few of orange, in between red, copper, pink, dark pink, light pink. And sometimes I can do some like this also. I can put it, there is no hard and fast rule that you have to do it like that or this. So any way you like to put it out. So I'm just putting the colors in a way like this with different colors. Okay, so you can see I have put few colors here and I'm going to tilt this a bit so that it mixes, and I'm rotating it so that the end here, since I'm wearing a glove, so I don't mind, putting my hands here. So just covering the sides. And on top side I have this black color and I'm just putting a layer of black here. Alright, now I'm just taking out. With this, it's just a cloth, a piece of cloth, and I'm just swiping it, okay, with a very light hand. I'm just swiping it. Let's see what happens. You can see colors have come on this, you can see I have just swiped it and you can see how the colors have started coming in. I'll do something more here. I'm just putting, let's see what happens. I'm just putting some heat here. Okay, and you can see the painting that it has come up with all the colors. You can see the painting, and I can do it a little bit like this so that it comes on the top of it, and you can see how beautiful the colors have come out. I'll show you something else what we can do on top of it. We can have a, in the beginning also I told you that I use a lot of techniques. So here I have a balloon with me. Alright, so let's see what we can do with the balloon on my painting. Okay, so let's see. I can just put a drop here. One, maybe a little bit of yellow and some white. Okay, so now I'm just pressing it with a balloon. I can have one more here with some orange, yellow and copper and maybe white. Alright, so let's see what we can do with this. I'm just cleaning the bed. Oh, got bursted. So not to worry, we can have something here maybe, and it's like this we can have. So you can see the painting is done and it gives a very, very colorful effect of having a, a wonderful colorful piece of art that has been created within few minutes. So I hope you like this technique. So let's clean it up and I'll just put it here. And so we are done with the painting, and it is something which is created suddenly. Thank you so much. I thank you everyone for watching this and motivating me, and others have already written that yes, this is acrylic colors. So it was really nice to see all of you here. And if anybody wants to connect with me, they can do it on my portal. I have my the paintings, the website. It is arpitamitra.com. So all my paintings are there. Thank you, Anju Goel ji. and this was just one type of painting that I did with swiping. So I'll just tell you about the techniques with which I did was, I had these liquid colors with me, and I poured the colors on my canvas, and after that with the black color I swiped it with the help of a cloth. And the beautiful creation, because initially all the colors were covered with black color, and then suddenly these beautiful colors from the black, which were below black color, they popped up. So this technique is really, really wonderful. You can see. Thank you so much, Neeti ji. You can see there's a painting out there. I'll just show that to you. It's a 4 feet by 4 feet. It's a 4 feet by 4 feet painting. It's a huge painting. And it is also, this is showing basically spirituality, where you are getting spiritually enlightened. There's a star over here, and when you surrender, with that thought I have made it, when you surrender, you get enlightened. So with this, I made this painting. This is my another painting, which is made through swipe technique only. Beautiful colors with black, and this painting says life, because life is initially all black, and on that only we create colors. So all these colors are created, and when all my paintings are very, very long lasting, because I put lot of varnish it and finish it, give it a finishing, and so the colors doesn't go anywhere. For years and years it goes, and it's all the colors that are used and the mediums that are used. It's all a very good thing, so it will not go anywhere. There's just one more that I just wanted to show it to you. This is again a landscape, a tree, a spring season depicting with this technique. And it's also of 3 feet by 2 feet. It's also a big painting. And these are few small paintings that I wanted to show you. This is also a small painting where a web-like structure is created. Yes, Anjuji, these are usually easy, and when you create the paintings, when you need to have some thought once, and sometimes as an artist it happens that you start with a thought, and when you end up your thoughts are changed, and then you complete it with some with some different thought. So that also happens, because many things come to your mind while doing a painting. So तब लगता है कि इसको छोड़ के कुछ ऐसा कर ले, या इसको इस तरीके से बना ले. So sometimes it happens that with whatever thought you have started, you end up with something else. So that happens, that's completely natural. That's what creativity is. So I think I have shown, and I wanted to show you one, my knife painting. This is again an abstract, and this is done with knives only. So these are abstract, And when we do it with with knife and with acrylic. So I work on the mediums, acrylic also, oil also. There are many oil paintings also that are being done, and one oil painting is there with me because most of them have already been sold. This is my painting, which is an oil painting. Thank you so much for liking my works. And obviously now whenever I'll put up shows, everyone are already invited, and Anjuji has I'm really thankful to She Connects that they have given us this platform for showcasing our whatever we are creating. So we are getting connected, and I have got so many beautiful friends now. So thank you so much, Mawa. Thank you so much, Anjuji, Tanushi, Kwayash, everyone, those who are watching, and my platform that I have spoken about, that is my Art Mania. And anybody who wants to learn art from me, so they are most welcome, the small kids. And since my online platform is from 6 years and onwards, so anybody can join, whether any ladies or gents or children of any age group, 6 years and above. Even I have students of class 1 also. So I don't mind teaching them, but this online platform is such a platform because it has actually given you that sort of wide like platform that has given. So I'm really again, Anjuji, I'm really thanking you for giving us this platform. Thank you, Mawa. And I think I'm done with this. So thanks for joining, all of you. Lovely talking to you, and your lovely comments. It's really very motivating. I'm really touched. And Anjuji, this painting, I made this for you. So you will get this painting from my side. I'll a sort of memento maybe, or just a small token of love from my side. I'll frame it and it will reach your house, and I'll be really very happy if you accept this thing. So Anjuji, love you. This is for you. So this painting, I'll complete this, and this will reach your home. So thank you so much, and lovely talking to you all. Very lovely comments that I am getting. Thank you. And if anybody wants to see my website, that is arpitamitra.com, and Artmania is my platform. So I'm really looking forward to teach more and more students. Whatever I know, at least I can impart that education to others. So that is my main thing. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. I think, Anjuji, now shall I just finish it? Thanks, Mawa. And those who have any queries, any queries that you have regarding Artmania, joining the Artmania platform, you are free to connect with me. Anjuji, shall I now switch this off as finish? Nothing is coming.